welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Blondie Next Door. If this is your first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Jelena. I am stay-at-home mom of 2 kids and I absolutely love doing DIYs. My channel had a lot of different kind of themes at the beginning. I did a lot of cleaning and organizing, which I still love to do, but my passion for DIYs took over. So for now, I'm doing a lot of DIYs on my channel. So I really hope you will enjoy them and hope you will decide to stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and also the notification bell on next to it. Today's video is in collaboration with my dear friend that I met here on YouTube. Her name is Nicole and her channel name is The Week's Nest. She is a beautiful, talented mama of 2 girls, and on her channel you can find so many beautiful creative DIYs. She's very talented, so I'm gonna encourage you to go ahead and check out her channel. I will have her channel and her video linked in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and click on that link and go straight to her channel. I am sure you're gonna get great ideas going over there, and when you do go over there, make sure to tell her you're coming from my channel and tell her a few words about yourself. I'm sure she would like to get to know you. Nicole and I decided we're gonna be making some projects for you guys from the thrifted items or items that we purchased at a Dollar Tree or things that we already have at home. Considering the situation we are all in right now, we cannot go out and go thrifting as we usually do. I personally made a few projects that I'm very happy with the way they turned out. I made them from thrifted items that I thrifted a long time ago, and they're mostly summer items, and I'm gonna be decorating my home with them. So I really hope you will enjoy watching this video, and I hope you're gonna like them. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I purchased these placemats at Dollar General probably month and a half ago, and they were originally $2, but they were on sale 50% off, so I got each for $1. And I had this fabric from a long time ago. I got it for $2, the whole roll, on a yard sale. So since I want to make 2 pillows, that is going to be a backing. So first I cut my other fabric in the same size as a placemat, and now I'm gonna fold the edges like so, and I'm gonna explain later why I'm doing that. So I folded it, put the pins in, and now I'm gonna sew it. If you don't own a sewing machine, you can certainly do this with a hot glue or fabric glue. Now I'm putting the pins in on the longer sides of this pillowcase, and I'm gonna sew only those 2. And after I'm done sewing, I'm gonna cut out the excess. Next, I'm gonna flip it inside out, and I'm gonna sew only one side of the shortest sides. And after that, I'm filling it in with an old pillow stuffing, and after that I am sewing the other side. So the reason why I was folding the backing at the beginning is because I wanted to leave the fringe visible, and that way, this was the way I was able to do it. So that's it. It was super simple to make, and I have 2 of them. One is over here in a reading area in a reading chair, and the other one is on my master bedroom set on a master bed. I really like how it turned out, and I love the saying on it. For my next project, I'm using this sign that came originally from Target Dollar Spot. I got it from dirt cheap for 30 cents. It was 90% off. I'm taking off the labels. Then I'm using my white craft paint, and I'm gonna paint the inside of this shadow box. So I'm gonna use the back side of the sign. I am just filling out the whole inside, even the sides. Next, I'm gonna take just Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and I'm gonna paint the sides, all 4 sides, and I also will be painting the top rim. I'm using my hair dryer to speed up the drying process, and after that I took a large popsicle stick to make lines to create kind of a shiplap effect. After I was able to fill out all the lines, I'm taking Beverly chalk paint in a color Silver Lining, and I'm gonna just dry brush the inside, make it look a little more rustic, and to smooth out those lines. When that was done, I'm also gonna do the same thing on the outside of this box, so on the brown paint that I painted earlier. Then I used my pencil and I freehanded the word lemonade. I was trying to recreate the Raydon font, and I also wrote 25 cents on the bottom. And then I used just a black acrylic paint and a fine brush, and I went over the letters. I always admire my friend Heidi Sambol, how she does that. She always freehand stuff, and I started doing the same. I really enjoy it, and it takes time, but I like the way it turns out at the end. While that is drying, I took a piece of a foam board that I had laying around, and I am drawing a lemon shape. Then I'm gonna take my Exacto knife and I'm gonna cut out the shape. This was a little challenging, but with a lot of patience and just going back and forth, I was able to cut it out. I didn't mind if there was a little bit rough edges because lemon is not perfect after all. I'm gonna link this Exacto knife in my description box down below. If you need any, this is the perfect one. Next, I'm taking just a yellow acrylic paint and I'm painting over my lemon and also the sides as well. After it was completely dried, I am using my hot glue gun and I'm just attaching it to my sign. Then I'm taking these yellow Dollar Tree beads, 4 of them. I am putting them on my twine, tying the knots on the ends and putting a little bit of hot glue so they don't move. I'm gonna glue them to the corner of my sign, and after that the only thing left was to take the same brush that I did the stressing, and I'm gonna go over the lemon to give it just a little bit of texture and dimension. And that completes this project. I really love how it turned out. I love the pop of yellow for summer. I love the lemon project. I'm definitely gonna make some more. And that's it. I hope you guys like this one, and I hope you will maybe try to recreate it. For my third project, I'm using this vase that I got from my local thrift store. It was $1.99 plus 30% off. I had this for a couple of months and I didn't know what to do exactly with it. But now I decided I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna repaint it, and I'll show you how. First, I'm taking off the sticker, the price tag, and cleaning it off. And then I'm taking my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in color Linen White and starting to dry brush first the sign up front and then everything else. My idea was that I want to not completely cover this green color because I really like this color, but I don't like the shine on it and the look of it. So I wanted to kind of make it look like it was made out of clay. So I don't know, I wasn't sure how it's gonna really turn out, but I was ready to go ahead and try it. So I'm going around and just dry brushing it first with that white color, then later I took Beverly chalk paint in a color Mineral, doing the same thing. Then I took my chalk paint by Beverly color Silver Lining, and then just filling it in like you see over here, going around until I was kind of happy with what I'm looking at. So there's no particular pattern on how I did this. I was just going back and forth between those colors. And just dry brushing it, and that way I created that cement look or clay look on this vase. I like that the green color is popping out underneath, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want to cover it completely. Next, I used my Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and I decided to dry brush the bottom and top, just some edges, and especially the sign up front, because I really like those letters on it, the texture. And I also went all over this vase with that brown color, just a little bit. And I did this, repeating all this until I was completely happy with the way it turned out. I got these flowers at the same thrift store. They were free. There were 3 of sunflowers, 1 white flower, and there was 2 stems that were missing flowers. So I guess that's why they wanted to get rid of it. I love it. They were so tall and pretty. So I'm gonna just use 3 sunflowers to fill out this vase. And then I'm using Dollar Tree jute twine to wrap around the neck of this vase, tie the knot on the back, and that's it. That's my last project. I really love how this vase turned out. This is totally my style. I love the shape of it. I really like everything about it. And I like that I used sunflowers. It really gives that pop of color that I love to use in the summer. My house is mostly in a gray and white colors, all the furniture and cabinets and everything in walls, so pop of color really means a lot and looks great in my house. So I really hope you guys like this, and hope you enjoyed watching it. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to go ahead and check out Nicole's video and Nicole's channel. And I really hope you like my projects. If you did, as always, give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell on. It means a lot to me. I would love to have you as a part of my family. Share this video. Maybe there's somebody out there, some of your friends or family, that will enjoy this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.